people. We make layouts and mock-ups all the time for layoutscloud.com and obviously for my own business, somebodyshero.co.uk. And I get asked all the time how I do them. So I use a particular set of layouts, which is here, and these layouts can really help improve the way that you present a website mock-up to either your clients or on your website. So let's have a little go at doing that, shall we? I particularly like this one because it's layered in as much as that you get one screen, two screen, three screens, and it gives a good effect. Or this one particularly because it just demonstrates three pages or so on your website. So the way to do this is to go in here and go into the PSD files, and there it is. That will open up in Photoshop, and you can see that I've already done something here, but let's just do it again. So here we go. All you do is you click on a particular layer in Photoshop and double click, and you'll be presented with something like this. So this is 03 layout of that 09. And then you go place embedded, and you just find a layout that you've taken a screen grab of and you want to present to your customers. So let's go for the Dance Academy here. Now that presents it there itself like that, so you just drag it down, click on this corner and hold the shift key down, and that will increase the size. So that's all you do, is you make sure that it measures up nicely to the edge. And you just drag it up there, double click, and that makes it part of the layer. And then you exit the screen, say yes. That will actually update the 09 template, and there you go. There you have a mock-up. So let's do it all the way through. And the benefit of this is that you can show different sections, different pages. And effectively say, right, my one-page layout could actually be 3 separate pages. So you can drag it up, and there you go. There's the other sections as well. Let's do one more, finish the job. And there you go, in a couple of minutes, literally, you have created your layout. Looks beautiful. You can put your own logo in it like I have here, and then you just export, save for web. Give it a new name. And you can open that separately. And then you can display that, and you can see that there's no layers in this one. So that is how you create your Photoshop mockup, which allows you to show them like we do on our Facebook pages and within groups, and of course within your own portfolio section, so that clients can see the skills that you have. Good luck with them, and search the web. There's plenty out there.